In this video, we'll teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with Safepal account. First of all, you need to log into your Pocket Option, then go to your profile. After that, you need to click on Finance in the left menu and go to Deposit, or just click your profile icon at the top right and click on Deposit. Right here, you need to choose the payment method. There are a lot of payment methods. In this case, I will show you how to deposit, for example, Bitcoin, because it's the most popular one to deposit. So we'll click on deposit. Then you need to enter the amount of USD. You need to transfer. For example, I want to transfer $50 worth Bitcoin. And if you have got a promo code, you can tick this and enter the promo code right here. And after that, you need to click on continue and pay. Before we'll start paying, you need to read this note. In order to get your Bitcoin payment proceed automatically, use only Bitcoin network for your transfer. Failure to meet one of the requirements will result in loss of funds. So you can copy the Bitcoin wallet address from Pocket Option, and you need to send exactly this amount of Bitcoin to this wallet address, and also you need to add a little bit amount for commission. So let's go to our Safepal account. I will open the Safepal, then I will choose the Bitcoin because we are sending Bitcoin. Then you need to click on send, and right here in the address you need to paste the Bitcoin wallet address we just copied from Pocket Option. After that, you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin right here, and keep in mind that there is a commission, so you need to add a little bit more for the commission because we need to receive exactly the same amount as shown on Pocket Option. Then click on the next button and finalize the transaction. In nearly 10 minutes, you can check your balance on a Pocket Option account. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.